Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. And so today we're going to be reviewing the Beetles gel polish, the Bear collection. This does come with 20 gel polishes, and don't mind my nails because I did clip them down because I'm going to be soaking them off. But it has the directions, the storage, and the warning. And the directions are: apply Beetles gel polish and cure under UV LED lamp for 90 to 100 seconds. And it's going to vary depending on the lamp that you use, different wattages, but you will use 2 coats. That is what's recommended for the best coverage. So I'm going to open the box that has all of the beautiful colors. We have nudes ranging from cream to browns. We do have pinks and mauves in there. We even have some glitter colors. So I do want to let you guys know that the all black caps that you see are going to be the top coats and the base coat. So you get a regular top coat, a matte coat, as well as a base coat. I am going to be using my McCart lamp that I will be doing a review on in a few days. So we're going to start with the A391. This polish is the cream side of the nudes. I believe this is going to be the creamiest color that they have in this set. I absolutely love that color. I did do it on a set of nails that you guys will see in a few days. Next, I'm going to go in with A392. This is going to be a more sheer pink. I did have to use 3 coats on this one just because it is so sheer. Even 2 coats wasn't cutting it for me like at all. So now I'm going in and doing my second coat of the A391, which, man, that color is so flawless when I tell you, for real. Like, when you see it on my nails, you're just gonna be like, man. So now we're going in with A393, and this is a salmon-like color. Now on this one, I did only do 2 coats of this one because it was alright. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch me swatch these. So now I'm going to go in with A394, A395, and A396. This A394 color is like a, I don't know how to explain it, but it's beautiful. It is very beautiful. That's A392 and A393. I will show you guys all of these colors at the end very slowly. So now I'm going in with A395. And this is more of a really light pink color. And then now I'm going in with A396, I think, which is more on the pinky caramel side. I do end up losing track of all of these colors because there is so many different colors, but you guys will see at the end what they all look like. So I'm going to let you guys continue to watch me swatch them. I am now going in with the colors 397, 398, and 399. I am now going in with A400, A401, and A402. A400 was absolutely beautiful. It was this pinky, kind of almost mauve color with sparkles in it. Oh my gosh, it was absolutely beautiful. I did not use that one on my nails, but nonetheless, it was still beautiful. I will say that some of these colors were more, what do I want to say? Some of these colors were more sheer than others, so some only needed 2 coats. Some probably could have used 3 coats, but I only did 2 coats, just to show you guys, because it did say 2 coats was what was recommended. So I just wanted to show you guys what, you know, Beetles actually recommended. Next, I'm going to go in with 403, 404, and 405. Now, 403 was my absolute favorite color in this set. It reminded me of like a brick house brown. It was just not like the regular browns. It was much more brighter, and I like bright nudes like that are browns. 404, I liked this color as well, but 403 was it. Like, it truly was. Now, my recording died after what I did 403, 404, 405. My recording died in the middle of 405. Not my recording died, but my phone died in the middle of 405. So you guys did not get to see me originally swatch that. But this is 405. It is a, I believe it is a chunky glitter sparkle. I can't remember. So now I'm going in with 406, 407, and 408. 406 is a, I can't remember if this one is like the silvery color or if this one is like the white pearl silvery, kind of like a mica powder. But I'm gonna let you guys continue to watch me swatch these. And y'all, like I said, there's so many colors. I can't remember which ones I said last, but I did go ahead and do 408, 409, and 410 as well. So this is me just showing you guys that it comes with a base coat, a top coat, and a matte top coat. All three of those came in this kit. And I am going to top coat all of them with the regular top coat. So this is a 410, 407, 40 something, 408, and 409, which 409 is the pearly color, and then this is a 410. So these are all of the colors. So A391, A392, it looks like a cover color, A393, A394, A395, which is a really light pink, A396, A397, and you will see me trying to see what's the perfect nude that kind of matches my skin tone, A399, oh sorry, that was 398, A399, A400, A401, A402, here's my favorite color, A403, I just love that color, A404, A405, which is the chunky gold glitter, A406, which is just a silver polish, A407, A408, A409, which was the pearly white that had little specks of glitter, and A410, which is a mauve-ish glitter. And these are all of the colors. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next one.